Do you know the shoes you wear can make you look taller and slimmer? I'm Sheila, and today I'm going to show you 4 ways to wear shoes to look taller and slimmer. This is Chic and Confident, a channel for women over 50 who want to look great and dress with ease. For the best style tips, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Tip number 1, choose vertical lines. Like your clothing, shoes create lines. In order to look taller and slimmer, you want to create vertical lines and avoid horizontal lines. So let's first look at the vamp of a shoe. The vamp is the distance that the shoe comes up over your foot, how far it closes your foot in. If the vamp is high, your leg will look shorter because the eye has less distance to travel and it makes your leg appear shorter. If the vamp is low, more of your foot is shown, which creates a look of a longer leg. So as you notice, when shoes come up further on your leg looks shorter. So when you're wearing a dress or skirt, create a longer look by choosing a pump that has a low vamp. And keep high vamp shoes for pants. The second way to create a taller, slimmer look is to choose shoes that are skin tone. The skin tone shoe will blend to your leg color and it will just create one long vertical line. A darker shoe will cut off the visual effect of a longer line and your leg will look shorter. This isn't to say you can't wear dark shoes. These tips are just for those of you who want to create that longer look. The third way that shoes can make you look taller and slimmer is to choose shoes that are lightweight instead of heavy. A heavy shoe, especially if it's light in color, will create weight at the bottom of your outfit. A chunky shoe in a light color as well as a bright color shoe in a high vamp will also interrupt that long slimming vertical line. The fourth way to create a taller, slimmer look is to choose a pointy shoe with a low vamp. And if the shoe is also skin tone, it will also create that longer lengthening line. If you'd like daily style tips, you can join my private Facebook group and I'll put the link down below. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and keep on styling.